How to fix messenger messages problem. If you have any problem with the messages in your messenger, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps. Go to the messenger app right here, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the storage right here, click on clear data, click on delete, go back, click on clear cache, and then go back again, click on data usage right here. Make sure that all these options are enabled, and the last thing you want to do is go to the settings again, go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.